Hey everyone, my name is David D'Souza. I'm the founder of SheetXAI, and today we're going to learn how to deduplicate customer lists by fuzzy matching names. What that means is when the names look kind of similar but really aren't, you need to deduplicate them, essentially remove every copy. You essentially want to use this method, and this works in Google Sheets, it works in Excel. Let's get it started. All right, so first you want to open Google Sheets. And here you have your data. As you guys can see, some of these customer names are a bit interesting, right? There's Inc, there's group, then there's no group. There's all these different things, right? So essentially what we want to do is we want to come here to SheetXAI. And by the way, to open SheetXAI, all you have to do is press extensions, SheetXAI, and open SheetXAI, right? And you just have to come here and you paste this prompt. So after you type something like this and you press enter, boom. As you guys can see, it's literally all done. So that's exactly how to do it. Thank you so much, and see you on the next tutorial. Remember to get SheetXAI to try this for free. You get 7 days free. You could try every single thing that you want. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.